Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Carey and I'm going to be your instructor for this course, Becoming More Independent with Cooking. I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself as well as go over some of the things that we are going to cover in this course. And if you open up your Open Learning and go to the home page, you will see a description of what this course is about, as well as the topics that we'll include, what you will learn, and the standards used for this course. Take a minute to read over those so you know some of the expectations. The next thing you will see is your first discussion post, and this is due the Friday of the first week, and then your responses to your peers are due by Sunday night. So just make a note as we begin this course and you are required to do discussion posts, you will need to make an original post as well as respond to one of your peers and then again to somebody else who responded to your original post. I have put an example of my own down here, so this is where all your discussion posts will be. You can just click on somebody's, read it, and then comment on theirs. And then go back to your own and comment on something that somebody has commented on yours about. Underneath the discussion post, you will find the course syllabus, which has a little bit more detailed information on each module. So you can take a minute to read through that, as well as your final assignment, and then discussion posts. And then if you look over to the right, next to the course syllabus, it just gives you a quick little note on how to get around. If you click on the Learning Activities tab, that's where most of our information and modules and content will be. So I'll show you that in just a minute. You can also communicate through video conferences. We are going to hold 2 video conferences throughout this course. One will be at week 2 and one will be at week 5. I will let you know in advance when those dates will be and when the times will be. The video conference will be open to anyone who wants to join, and we'll go over some of the upcoming things for the course, and then the last video conference will be obviously going over your final assignment. And then at the bottom, I also have opened up a Google Docs page in which you can sign up for an individual conference. And all of these video conferences will be launched in the launch button. So once you sign up, we will launch it at the same time and have a video conference. Alright, so if you go over to the Learning Activities tab and you click on that, that's where the main portion of our course is, and you will see it week by week. So week 2 is measurements. You will find a description at the top of what is required or what we will be learning, and then underneath that you will see 3 different modules, and each of those modules will have content in it and either a discussion or an assignment that you will need to complete, and then there will always be a quiz at the end of the module. So make sure that you click on each module and read through or watch or go through all of the content first and then complete the assignment to make sure you haven't missed anything. So going down, you will see week 3 is safety. Again, same kind of setup. You will see a description of what we're going to be covering, and then you have your different modules down here, your different lessons, followed by a quiz. In this week, week 3, you will have a group project, so make sure that you look over the group project, and I will have a video in there of myself as well, going a little bit more in depth on what is required for the group project. And then week 4 is recipe, same kind of setup, just work through the modules, and then your final assignment, which only has 1 module, and it has all of the information that you'll need to complete the final assignment. So that's kind of an overview of our course. Your main tab is your Learnings tab and then the home page. I look forward to meeting you all. Please let me know if I can help in any way during this course.